Alright, so that's how my bike landed, guys. This is my redneck bike. I don't have a chain on it. So, I was going down, and then I hit this. And evidently my butt bumped right here. Because air quit. My butt bumped right there. So I'm here right there. And I bumped over here. And I slid right here. As you can see the butt mark right here. But then there's this huge one right there. And I hurt myself really bad. My butt really hurts. But I'm cool. And then there's one part where my hand slid. I don't know what it was. I forgot. I went down here twice. I think that. No. I found it. That's it right there. So my hands are out there. I was like, whoosh. And I did a front flip, and I was like, whoop. And I came up like that. I was like, oh, shoot. Man, it's really fun. Oh, and I got this new cool thing. Just my name on it. I know. That's why you waved at them. You beeped. Since you waved, they beeped at you. All right, go up there.
They said beep beep. I said. I did it with my tip. I was like.
Yeah. Arrow can show you how I crashed, but it sucks, man.
Yep.
You get hurt, you know?
I did this. I let them touch it, and it was not really hard. I can beat them. But I tell them when to go.
No, don't do that. Quit doing that. Now here, this is a 4-year-old, so she don't know how to work a camera. She's gonna stick. Okay. Here we go. Did you hurt your finger? Yeah. Well then, hold the camera like this and show me, okay? Okay. Alright, come on. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, point it on me. And keep pointing on me. Alright, come on. Keep pointing it. Keep pointing it.
See you.
I just got my knees, guys. Woo! My knee right there.
My whole place.
I think my knee was right there. Just hit. That's what happened. But like all that. So, see you guys later. Peace on the streets, guys.
Yep, this way. This is where it goes.